Now, for the installation of the fold-down ironing board, the first thing we do is locate the cavity that we pre-wired the wire to hook to the unit itself. Now we'll cut out the sheetrock, install the wiring to the unit, and put it right in place. Before we go too far, we want to make sure the power is off so we don't nick the wire with the saw. We do this by checking an outlet that we know is on the same circuit that we'll be using and turning off that breaker. Then Greg completes the cutout by following the studs on either side with his saw and the layout lines for the horizontal cuts. 2x4s cap the space top and bottom, but the lower one has to be drilled through so that we can feed in the power line. Now we can carefully slip the cabinet in place and begin securing it to the studs and making all the electrical connections before we turn the power back on and check out our work. Hey, let's see, with the power on, let's see if everything's working here. One of the nice advantages of having a folding ironing board like this, you have a timed control on it so that when you turn it on, your light comes on, you can plug your iron in, and if you have an iron that doesn't have an automatic cutoff, you can position it right in here, and when the time expires, it'll cut everything off. Also, with the light itself, it has a push button there that when you close it, it'll also turn the light off. Now, you may have a couple different people that do the ironing in your home, 2 different heights. Well, this one adjusts from this size, and you can lift it up and it'll raise itself up 4 inches for someone that may be a little taller, and either way it still pivots very nicely so that you can move it around, have plenty of room to make those shirts and pants look very, very nice. So this is a great idea to really save a lot of the space that you may have in any size laundry room